now that we've got the tractor mostly clean, got a lot of the dirt off of it, but it's still got some greasy spots on there from greasing up the nipples and the linkages on it. So I'll have to come in with a degreaser and some shop rags and get that stuff cleaned off. But I wanted to show you this thing here. Picked it up at Academy Sports, and it's supposed to be an umbrella for like a lawn chair or a beach chair. We're going to try and put that thing on this tractor and see if we can get some shade going here. With it being so hot, every little bit helps. So let's see what we can do here. I mean, you know what the solution is, really. I mean, it's obvious. I just need a tractor with an air-conditioned cab, and then I'll have to worry about this. That'd be good. I think this may end up ripping corners out here, but it seems like it's relatively stable until I hit the first tree branch, and then it's, going to be Swiss cheese. We'll give it a shot and see what happens. We're going to run the mower for a minute. Well, the mower worked fine. But this little umbrella here, as you can see, about the only thing it shades is my head, which I guess is better than nothing. It needs to be a little bit bigger. I don't know. We're gonna toy with it and see. It was, I think, $21 at Academy, so you know, no big loss if it doesn't work. 20 bucks is 20 bucks for sure, but you know, it's not like it was astronomically priced for what you get. Again, $21, you get what you pay for. So I don't know. We'll toy with it and see how it goes. Some relief from the sun is better than no relief. So I'll keep you updated. Stay with us. All right, y'all. I think we're gonna call it a day there. It's been a long, hot day. It's getting late in the day, and it's been a lot. This heat will take it out of you. So thank you for joining us. If you would, go ahead and click the like, subscribe, and share button. We'd love to have you and your friends and your family and everybody along for the journey. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.